Alright guys, we're here today at 4837 East Willetta. This is unit number 4 here that we're going to take a look at today. But first, I just want to capture this nice outside courtyard area that's private that you do get, as well as you can see the new fresh paint on the entire unit itself. Nice view out here today, and then we'll go ahead and take a look inside. So you do get a screen door for just extra security if needed. Some nice new paint on the door as well. And we'll take a step on in. As you can see here, new paint all throughout the unit, as well as this new flooring, which I think looks amazing. Keeps it nice and light and bright in here. Very spacious, you know, you have a nice big window here with blinds. These are also new blinds. So you can just pull them down with your hand. You don't actually have to use the janky strings on the old ones. And then obviously the twist here to close them. Alright, so you walk in, and then that is the kitchen. We're gonna save that for last. We're gonna come on over here to the first bedroom here. You get a nice big window. Again, the fresh paint, the fresh flooring all throughout the new unit. Over here in the corner. So this is the entire room itself. You get a nice light up there. And then you get your own private closet, which is a pretty good size here. And then come on over here to the second bedroom. Again, same thing. Nice light, nice big window. And then another slightly bigger closet. You know, so maybe this could be considered the primary. And then that other one could be the guest room if you would like. Take a step over in the corner, get the true size of the unit. Very spacious. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here. And then we have this nice storage area, which these actually go very deep, so they're not shallow cabinets. You can fit quite a bit in here. You can see all 4 of them. And then here we go with the primary bathroom, which is quite big for the unit size. You get the fresh tile, a nice window, brand new shower, solid countertops here, you know, good mirror. This does also open up for extra storage. And then we will take a step on over here back to the main entry, so that is the front door right there. And then we'll step on into the kitchen. Alrighty, so here we are at the kitchen. The first thing you will notice is you get a huge window right here. Just like up front, you do get the new blinds, which I think are amazing. They're really easy to use. And then we'll step on in here. All the appliances will stay. There will be a brand new fridge actually showing up today that'll go right here. So you get a brand new fridge, nice new painted cabinets. And then again, all the appliances will stay. So this will stay here. Obviously the sink will stay. And then something that can't be rare in these units is a washer and dryer in the unit itself. So it's a nice bonus, so you don't have to go somewhere to do your laundry or even walk outside. It's in unit. And then we will take a step outside, which you get your own private covered little backyard area here, which you can see. You still get a nice view up here. Plenty of trees, plenty of sunlight. And you get some shade, so it's a nice area, you know, get some fresh air in the summer. You can always just leave this door here cracked open, get some fresh air flowing throughout the unit. But yeah, guys, this is the tour of Willetta Unit 4. So if you have any questions or you want to, you know, inquire about the unit, please visit our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com. And thank you for touring with me.